Luke, what's up, man? So let me walk through this workflow and how I'd set this up, and I might be understanding something in the wrong way. So just set me straight if I am. But what I would actually do is let's go to Teams, okay? And we've got this promo team, and you mentioned master calendar, right? I'm not exactly sure where you want to send this to, but let's imagine it's like, hey, there's five guys or five teams that need this, or even five athletes that need this. The way to actually do this is don't set up this promo team, but instead set up the promo calendar, and then on whatever team needs that. Let me show you this. So, like for example, promo, right? So let's imagine here's one of the sessions. In fact, I'm going to put four sessions just to demonstrate this. Okay. Instead of programming here on promo, let's actually just program in the master calendar. Okay. So I go to master calendars. I go to promo. The point of a master calendar is you're just programming in one spot, right? And everybody gets it, right? So imagine I've got these four sessions here, right? For now, I'm going to leave them unpublished. Nobody sees them until they're published, though, so keep that in mind, right? And let's imagine that promo is one of our guys that needs this, okay? So let me delete this stuff off of this calendar. Now, the way to do it is all the folks that need it, I actually would come into the library and I'd add promo. Okay, so I go to master calendars and I just toggle that on. Okay, so then this way, anytime I'm under library and I'm making changes, I'd want to publish that stuff with master calendar. Boom, make a change. If I go into teams, every team that has it, every athlete that has it, I go here. They're not seeing anything, right? Because it's not published. Now, as soon as I come into the library and I go to master calendars, you're just making a change in one spot. And again, that promo could be set up on 10 calendars. As soon as I go here and do this, published. And now they're seeing this. So like if they had another session too, they'd be able to, from a workflow standpoint, just come in here and edit. Now, in order to actually make a change, they'd have to hit copy and edit, but I think they could just do a quick copy and paste, right? And they actually go back on their calendar and they add a session, right? And they're tweaking stuff on their own. But they would just kind of start with this as the starting place. In fact, if they wanted, they could just do a quick, what we call copy and edit, and now it's like their own session. So they're using this as kind of the starting point, and now they're adding in blocks. All right, so let me know what you think. It looks like from where I'm standing, there are some goofy things going on. Specifically, it looks like anytime you have and if you look here, this master calendar set up, they're subscribed to it. Anytime you have a master calendar set up for a team, it just flows in there in real time, but it needs to be published on the master calendar. Okay, so let me know if this stuff makes sense, if it fits the workflow, and even just from I'm going to get you back to the place you were, where you just had one session published on the promo team, just so I don't mess anything up. But that's how I would do this. So don't program actually on the team, program in the master calendar, and then on the particular teams that you're talking about, they'll have that. They'll have those sessions kind of show up in real time. So hope that helps.